Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate in NerdWallet for budgeting insights, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate in NerdWallet for budgeting insights, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the NerdWallet website. On the home page, locate the login button usually positioned at the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields. If you do not have an account, look for the option to sign up. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the form, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept these terms. Submit your information by clicking the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link from NerdWallet. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the NerdWallet login page after verifying your email. Enter your email address and password once again to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section on the dashboard. Here, you can link your bank accounts for automatic tracking of your expenses. To do this, look for the option to connect accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your bank details securely. After connecting your accounts, allow some time for NerdWallet to sync your transaction data. Once the sync is complete, explore the budgeting insights provided. Use these insights to set financial goals and monitor your spending effectively. Congratulations, you are now authenticated in NerdWallet and ready to manage your budget efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.